everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Stories, and today I'm talking about Skeem, Sam and Ribulelaka Pretty Lehasa. The teasers reveal the following: Lehasa does the unthinkable to try and please an ex-lover, and what he did guys, he will go to the Sekamela family to apologize with flowers in his hands. He will apologize even to Mantuli and tell Pretty gore wa morata, and li Pretty utlo responda bjalo gore le yena wa morata Lehasa. Now guys, there is an elephant that need to be addressed in the room. Kwezigazi is that elephant. She knows everything about Lehasa, some dirty deals and secrets. Will she just let him go and be happy with Pretty just like that? I don't believe so. She will fight with everything she have, and I don't see Pretty in a peaceful relationship with Lehasa unless Kwezi is normal. You know what guys, Skeem Sam writers knows what we want, I'm telling you. Let's check the few comments on Facebook about this storyline. The first one said Mantuli is already dreaming about that double story house. She will write in a list of members to Lehasa's family. Mantuli, she is good at what she does, man. The shock, the looking for frying pan, aibo. And the other one said, Skeem Sam just got interesting. Dear writers, we have been waiting for this drama. The shock on Mantuli's face when her daughter tells Lehasa that she loves him. Look like they want to kiss in front of her. They clearly want to give her a heart attack. If it was me, my mother would throw anything in front of her at us. All hell will break loose. Then the other one said, this is what we call true love. It always exists no matter what, because it's from within and is not influenced by material things. It's just innocent true love. Indeed, love conquers all. Then the last one said, Lehasa is afraid of Kwezi. That girl is a bully. Lelo number 2, always pushing things that benefit her, and she's not afraid to eliminate the competition. Guys, I'm scared. I'm scared that Pretty will be heartbroken again from this relationship. I actually don't like how Lehasa treated her at the time she was pregnant. She called her by names like Are Unyaka Cheleta ya Haye with her poor family. If it was me, I don't wanna lie. I don't know what you think guys about this storyline, but we can have a conversation on the comment section. Bye.